What would you do if you had extra time? What would you do if you had extra income? What would you do if you had both? Vacation? Adventure the world? Pursue your passions? Spend more time with friends and family? The truth is that most people dream of a different life, a better life. So how do you get more time and money? According to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of one of the best-selling financial books of all time, 95% of all people are on the wrong path. Most people have some sort of job where they have to show up every day in order to get paid, which leaves very little time and sadly very little money. Only 5% of the population has learned how to generate residual income, giving them the freedom to do what they want, when they want, and this group controls 95% of the money. So, which group do you want to belong to? Welcome to Travorium, a company dedicated to providing people from all walks of life better ways to achieve a better life. Travorium has quickly spread to over 50 countries. Founded by world-class entrepreneur David Hart in 2013, Mr. Hart was a Southern California Inc. magazine finalist for Entrepreneur of the Year at the young age of 24. Today, Mr. Hart is pioneering new concepts in two of the largest industries on the planet, allowing average people to save money and make money with their mobile phone or laptop devices. Travorium began its rapid ascension by disrupting the single largest industry on the planet, travel. Our unique model has been helping members from around the world do three things: travel for less, up to 70% off, allowing customers to earn free travel points, giving customers an opportunity to partner with us so they can earn income even while they're traveling the globe. The Travorium membership gives you the ability to vacation every year. Members choose one of our 2,000 plus beautiful resorts where they can get away with their family, or go to one of our curated world tours where we bring like-minded people together from around the globe for an experience that cannot be purchased anywhere. The vacations keep coming every year, and the memories will last a lifetime. Travorium's next path was to bring educational products and services to a travel-related industry known as foreign exchange, or Forex for short. As people travel to other countries, the first thing they typically do is exchange their money for the currency of the country they are entering into. The Forex market happens to be the single largest financial market in the world, roughly 20 times the size of the US stock market. Instead of trading the value of a company like the stock market, the Forex market trades the value of an entire country's currency to the tune of over $6 trillion per day. Most people have never even heard of the Forex market because up until a few years ago, you had to have a net worth in the millions, and the industry required a minimum deposit of $100,000 in your brokerage account. Today, if you have a cell phone and as little as $100, you can trade currencies. However, the key is knowing when to buy and when to sell. So Travorium is here to help. We have launched a program with experienced Forex traders who specialize in teaching everyday people how to trade like the pros. A better life tomorrow demands you find a better way today, and educating yourself on options is the beginning of that process. We invite you to learn more about our movement. We invite you to achieve your better life.
Bye. up in the air. Hope you enjoy.